Probably.
Go crazy.
What's going on, everyone? Today we are in a Mini Cooper S convertible.
I feel I like convertibles, but I like Ferrari 458, the Spider. Right? I like the S2000. I like another Mini. I do like this car, but I feel a little bit inadequate.
You don't feel so manly anymore, do you?
No, I don't. That is so nice.
We need the other camera. We need another camera. Do you want to get the other camera out?
Oh, we're stupid.
Oh no, we can't. We can't get the other camera out.
Why?
Because SD card.
Oh no, we're stupid. Yeah. Actually, I don't say we.
So
the cameraman's sitting to the right of me. One thing I would say though, sport mode.
Sport mode.
This thing is actually pretty quick.
Yeah!
It's weird that
I can't see the speedo.
We did this exact thing in my Scooby and it just feels no different. Except my spine doesn't hurt. You can't see, you keep asking to
can't.
You put your seat back up again.
Oh yeah. Now I feel too high again.
Yeah, but at least you're not like just trying to creep over the steering wheel. You're a little munchkin.
Right, so what can we tell you about this car? This is a Mini Cooper S convertible. It's a 2014 plate. It has a 1.6 litre turbocharged engine that produces 174 brake horsepower.
It does feel like it, and it sounds good, but I can't decide whether the noise is coming from there or there.
Yeah. Apparently, I've seen a few videos. If you have the manual version, you get to pop and bang quite easily. Not without any tuning.
Yeah, that's one thing Daryl did say. This is an automatic.
It is automatic. It's
not even.
Which makes it.
It's not semi-automatic. It's literally just automatic.
Literally makes it like a go-kart. Oh, like a go-kart.
One thing I would say about this, whilst Daryl was trying to race everybody who doesn't know that they're racing, the inside is really weird.
So all the buttons are in the wrong place, basically.
Yeah,
everywhere
so
you'd expect a button to be is in the wrong place.
You open your windows from the middle, which I can get over, but like everything's in the middle. Nothing is on the driver's side, on the doors.
Yeah, there's nothing. The only thing on the doors is the thing to adjust the mirrors. But I do enjoy this car,
and it's got paddles, but I wouldn't call them paddles. They're sort of buttons.
They're just buttons, yeah. They don't. It's not like your standard automatic gearbox. You push away to go. Down a gear, and then pull back to go up a gear.
Daryl's having so much fun driving the car that he
I'm forgetting how to talk. But that's one thing. This is so much fun to drive.
Oh look, GLA 45. Careful, damp in the road. Oh no, that's right. We're not driving the 350Z.
Yeah. I think that's one of the things is you don't always have to have 900 horsepower to enjoy a car.
No, it is like really nippy, and it's got the John Cooper Works.
I think it's just the body kit.
Well, it's on the steering wheel as well, so then it's probably the style pack.
Yeah. So it means it's got side skirts and the front and back bumper a bit different. Looks good from the outside. That makes such a difference to the accelerator. When you press it, I think the car's braking.
seats. I'm not gonna lie, there's not really much else to say about it.
No.
Although saying that, one thing that we're trying to understand. We
both saw that. Both thought we was about to see roadkill.
A bird just went into the road and we both just paused.
That is definitely going to be the thumbnail.
Yeah, so we're trying to understand how this thing works. So is it time to
should we pull over?
Accelerate to maximum manliness and put the convertible down?
Right, let's pull over. Let's pull over.
Is this the best place to pull over?
I don't know.
I don't even know where we are.
I'm sure we can put the roof down before someone comes up our arse. Ready?
And go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my god, it's not as warm as it was a minute ago.
It's not as sunny either.
Is anyone behind us? Right. Let's get that. Oh yeah, so if we leave these up, and then we'll show you the difference that this thing makes at the back. I don't know if we're going to be able to see it on Luke's hair.
Using my hair as an experiment.
Yeah. So you can see how much Luke's hair is moving.
Which it isn't.
Well, it's not much. So you see that, but watch. I can't reach it. You reach it, you flick it up.
Whoa!
It just stops. It literally just stops.
That is so weird.
If you put the heated seat on one more time. I keep thinking I've wet myself. It's so windy.
You know it's not.
It's weird, isn't it? I don't know if it makes a difference if you do this.
Oh, it does.
Oh yeah, it does.
Oh god.
Oh, ultra windy.
Right, so let's take a nice leisurely stroll.
Yeah.
What do we think about driving around in a convertible Mini?
I feel
You've just switched your hand over
I feel
to
like the
more of a man.
the coolest person ever.
You've literally, I've just said that you've just gone lean back.
Do you know what? Actually, the sound system's alright in this, and if you want to be one of them people that has the roof down blaring their music, this is definitely a car to buy.
Well, I mean, I like convertibles. I like little convertibles. Jordan's Beetle. I love driving that. That takes the thing about me saying feeling like less of a man to a whole new level as it's cream. But I don't know, I just feel nice. Driving past one of the homes of motorsport and I feel like a swell guy. Yeah.
It definitely isn't as warm as it was though.
I'm fine. I'm wearing an extra
To be
small
fair,
hoodie.
right, let's...
Oh, that's a bit smelly, isn't it?
Should we try out the...
Oh, I got a hair... Mate, the hair situation hasn't worked, by the way.
Let's put the heated seats on. Let's blast the heater and see if we can use it in the winter as well. So if we go like half windows.
That's all windows. Yeah, but you're a short ass because...
I reckon if you get right down here...
I can't go down any further!
Does it not go any further? Oh, there you go.
Yeah, I'm just above.
I reckon you could use this in the winter. Those are hot. Another Mini.
This looks like a giant.
Let's turn that off. Oh, it's
Yeah, I think that smell is coming from the seats.
probably.
All
My
those
back is melting.
all those people's farts are just being exhaled out of the seat.
This car is awesome. I'll give it this. I don't think me and Luke have smiled so much in a car yet.
It's just so funny, and I don't know why. I really want to get a convertible now. I thought this when I got Jordan for her car. Now I want to go out now and go get an S2000 because I don't think I get any other convertible.
It's worryingly pleasant, isn't it?
But let's prove a point. Right, let's go around this roundabout.
Yeah. This car is still capable.
No, you got to leave them down.
Oh, hard.
Why?
I'm just...
Are you cold?
It's putting me off.
No, you have to have them down. That's the point in it. thought I pressed the wrong button then. I was starting to get scared that like we were going to take off or something. What is that banging noise?
No, I think there is some little pops coming from the exhaust.
We're such old people. Oh, this is
very capable car.
Well, going slow round a roundabout. Right, can you make it pop then? Mate, I don't know if that's popping or the exhaust banging against the car. Well, rev it right the way up.
There it was.
Rev it right the way up and do the overrun.
But I don't think it comes in to... Man, I think that is little
I don't
pops.
think that's what that is.
I think it is.
We should have put a camera there.
It is. That's exhaust pops. Yeah.
That's cool.
That's cool.
Kelly's got a car that's got a popping exhaust. That thing pops more than mine does.
Dan reviewing the cars.
What do we think? Oh, what do you think, Dazza?
Do you know what? Yeah, awesome. My opinion of a Mini has changed completely. It pops and bangs. It has convertible. It's not slow. It drives like a go-kart. Well, we might look a bit camp in it, but
Old-fashioned.
But no, it's awesome.
I like convertibles anyway, and now that it does that pop and bang thing, I actually want one of my own.
Let's get one.
All right.
Done.